Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs hatch. First, choose fertile eggs from healthy, mature birds. Look for eggs that are clean and free of cracks. Next, you'll need to set up an incubator or broody hen. This provides the consistent warmth and humidity essential for the embryo's growth. Proper preparation is key to a successful hatch, so let's dive into the details. Temperature and humidity are crucial for successful hatching. For most poultry eggs, aim for a consistent temperature of 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity should be around 50 to 60% for the first 18 days. In the last 3 days, known as lockdown, increase humidity to 65 or 70%. This helps soften the shell and makes it easier for the chicks to pip and emerge. Regular turning is vital for embryo development. Turn your eggs at least 3 to 5 times a day every day until the last 3 days before hatching. This prevents the embryo from sticking to the shell membrane. Good ventilation is also important, ensuring a steady supply of fresh air and removing carbon dioxide. Remember, stop turning the eggs completely during the final 3 days to allow the chick to position itself for hatching. Once hatching begins, resist the urge to interfere. Let the chicks emerge on their own. After hatching, leave them in the incubator for up to 24 hours to dry and fluff up. Then, move them to a pre-warmed brooder with a heat lamp set to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure they have constant access to fresh water and a high-quality chick starter feed. Congratulations on your new flock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.